Let's find out why everything costs more than it used to be. There are various factors that leads to inflation. I am going to discuss with you the three main reasons for inflation. Number 1. It happens when demand for goods and services is more than the available supply. For example, in last summer, the price of tomatoes increased to 5 times its normal price. It happened due to major loss in crops because of sudden heat and pest attacks. So, the demand for the tomatoes increased, but the supply remained low, which resulted in higher prices of tomato. This is what we call as demand pull inflation. Number 2. If the cost of making things increases, for example, increase in the price of raw material or increased wages of the laborers, the businesses pass these increased prices to the customer, making the products expensive. For example, if the price of petrol or diesel rises, the transportation cost of the company also increases. So the companies will make the product more expensive for the customer. This is known as cost push inflation. Number 3 happens when the government prints more money or there is an increased money supply in the country. For example, in real estate, there is limited supply of homes and more money in the hands of consumers. This also results in inflation. I hope you now understand why inflation happens. For more such amazing information, don't forget to like, share and